So I'm with the Land Cruiser, project for Mission Impossible. It's supposed to be Black Ops, but I think I'll rename it Mission Impossible. The car's been sat now for like nearly 4 weeks, 3.5 weeks, because the interior guys that are doing the flooring and the seats couldn't finish their job because all the electric cables, all the electrics hadn't been rewired and done that needed doing. I was sort of told that there was somebody coming nearly 3 weeks ago to do this, but no, they didn't come. And hard to get hold of, but we were holding out for them because they would do a really good deal, really cheap deal. So in the end I ended up posting on a group for an auto electrician to come out, and I found a good guy, John. If I can find his details, I'll tag him in the comments for anybody that needs any electrical work done or auto electrician work done. And he came same day and done a really good deal. He's redone all the wiring in the car now, so that was good. And then I thought from there I can now get the seating and flooring guys to come and finish off installing everything, but now they said they need because they've done the interior doors as well, they need the painting to be done on the inside of the doors. So I'm just with Endo, the mechanic stroke paint sprayer, and we've decided today we're going to order the paint. He's given me a price of about 150 quid for the materials, so I'm going to see if I can go online and better that for the product codes that he wants to use that are high end. If not, I'll just give him the money and we'll get it ordered and get the paint in. But he needs to do the interior painting as soon as possible, before they come and then fit the flooring in and put all the seats in and so on and so forth. So we're going for matte black inside interior, and also the exterior. The main body is going to be a really nice glossy black, and the reason being is it will just look newer, you know, when it's finished. And although it's a vintage vehicle, it's got to look as good as I can make it look, basically. Whether I keep it for myself or sell it or whatever, it's a project at the end of the day. But we're taking a chance. We're going to go glossy on the outside, but all the detailing is going to be matte black to match the interior, which means the winch. I've got the winch cable now, but we're not putting it on until after the painting. Somebody nicked it when it was stuck in the field when I first got it. So the exhausts, the front bumper, all the detailing, the side part here, door handles, sort of window frames are all going to be in matte black. It could look really stupid, but we're going to go for it. On the rear, spare tyre holder, matte black. The step, matte black. Bumper, matte black. Everything matte black. And I wanted to have the wheels in bronze, but the sprayer is telling me that a gold would look really great. I'm not sure because it's supposed to be Black Ops, you know. I want to stick to the theme, but we'll see. We'll leave the wheels till last anyway. Okay, so that's the update. So I need to go shopping, see if I can find some paint and get this started. If I don't do that now, then I'm holding up the seat and floor guys and finish off the interior trim. So big day today. Okay, speak to you all soon. Take care. Bye bye. Oh, if you have any ideas, and you've done a rebuild or you're looking to do one, and I'm still open to any advice. Go in. The project has sort of spiraled out of control with timing and price. It was supposed to be finished by now. It's supposed to be a 3-month project. I think we're on month 5, and as you can see, we're not even halfway through. And just so you know, on costs, I think I've spent 180,000 peso so far to get to where we are today, and still needs to be registered, and some of the big jobs still need doing. I still have an issue with the transmission, and I'm going to post on some groups today and see if I can get somebody to come along. Although Endo's a good mechanic, when it comes to the transmission we need a pro. So more cost, so going to be an expensive week. Okay, updates as soon as I have any news. See you soon.